Hello people, this is Rahul and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Langlit Solutions. In this video we are going to talk about tips to speak English fluently. So the first tip is practice speaking. It is said that the best way to learn a language is to speak it. At the end of the day, English happens to be a language and a language needs to be spoken. You need to focus the four skills of a language, and these are LESRW: listening, speaking, reading and writing. But as a learner, before you jump onto speaking, you need to listen it before. If you can listen it better, you can speak it better. Listening plays an important role in learning any languages for that matter. Hence, in learning English, listening skills should be focused. To enhance your listening skills, you can listen to YouTube videos, English podcasts, audiobooks, English songs and speeches in English. No matter whether it's broken English or the fluent one, but still you need to speak without hesitation. At first you will make mistakes, but as you go on speaking on a daily basis, you will see some improvement seen in your speech. If you feel uncomfortable in speaking with people whose English is better than you, you can speak to yourself. In your head, you can describe things and objects around you. You can write a diary in English. This way or that way, you need to make a habit of thinking in English. Second tip to improve English is building a vocabulary. Words are the currency in any language because language is made of words. If you want to speak English fluently, you need to build your vocabulary first. Because without words, we cannot even think, let alone speaking. To learn vocabulary, you don't have to write it down 1,000 times. You just need to use that very word you come across. Make a habit of learning new words every day and you make sure you use them in your speech. Use the word deliberately in your speech, no matter the person you are speaking to understands it or not. In order to be remembered, a word has to be repeated. Then only it will be saved in your active vocabulary. Well, that's it for this video. We'll be discussing the remaining tips in the next video.